Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Just giving you another update on the kitchen remodel that we were doing. You saw me strip the paint off there. You saw me add the trim around it to make fake shaker doors. Got a little bit of footage of us putting primer on it and turning them all white. And then here's some footage of Marianne painting the doors.
Painting day. We are using a cabinet paint in Latitude. Here we go. That should be plenty.
You make it look easy. All your friends are gonna notice. You make it look easy. Go on and do what you do. All of this looks like gold. What you touch turns to gold. Pop, are you seeing clear? Are you seeing clear? Pop, pop, all the colors here, all the colors here. Pop, are you seeing clear? Are you seeing clear? Pop, pop, all the colors here, all the colors here. Now let me show you something that'll blow your mind. Now let me show you something that'll blow your mind. Now let me show you something that'll blow your mind. Now let me show you something that'll blow your mind.
So now that we went through all that,
Yeah.
I recommend we go back to yellow.
I like it. I like that color. I really do. Let me look back here. It's not even so dark that it eats up anything. You know what I mean? It's still fresh. And it's got that little bluish in it.
Oh, we could go throw a couple doors out.
Yeah, let's go try it and see what it looks like.
All the colors here. Pop, are you seeing clear? Are you seeing clear? Pop, pop, all the colors here, all the colors here. Are you seeing clear? Are you seeing clear? Pop, pop, all the colors here, all the colors here. Pop, pop, are you seeing clear? Are you seeing clear? Pop, pop, all the colors here.
Now that we have the cabinet doors back up, painted, everything is looking nice. We are going to eventually look into getting some hardware for it because we didn't like the old design of the silver stuff, but I had to put them back on the drawers so we could at least open those. But Marianne is ridiculously happy with this. She loves it every time she walks into the kitchen. All this costed maybe about $80 for this complete remodel. Now I do have one photo I'm going to show you right now. This is what the kitchen looked like before we started everything. Marianne really did not like the yellow. She did not like the trim underneath the cabinets above the stove, and she's really grateful that we were able to remove that. But this just goes to show you that for 80 or 90 bucks, you can take a kitchen you're not really super happy with and you can actually clean it up, strip the paint off, throw a new coat of paint on it, and turn it from flat door to more of a shaker style door, and it looks a lot better. So we are going to be looking into doing a couple more things. Marianne is talking with some people about redoing the countertops, even though they don't look super bad now because it kind of matches things a little bit better. But she wants to redo the countertops, possibly replace the sink, and then we're going to look into the floors. We do have some other things that I have built for her. She has a couple new pantries that I framed in drywall. Unfortunately, I built those before Marianne told me I should have been filming. But I could at least show you what those look like. We are going to make doors for them, and we're going to show you the process. I have a couple ideas of how to make it. But I'll share that with you after we figure out where we're going to put the shelves and how we want everything arranged. Now, Marianne's cooking channel is going to be coming back in here really soon. So we're going to be utilizing this new kitchen remodel to show off on her cooking channel as well. She does use an island for her cooking show. And we'll show you a trick that we made to save space when she's not doing the cooking show and she's not using the island. And we'll share that with you in a future video as well. But I just want to give you guys an update. Let you see what it looks like now that it's all put back together. And hope you enjoyed it. So talk to you on the next project. Bye.
Are you seeing clear? Are you seeing clear? Pop, pop. All the colors here.